That's the right password. Then let's have the wrong password. First attempt, second attempt, third attempt, and now we wait.
15 seconds.
That's not long.
That is pretty. Now I realize like 15 seconds is really long.
Yeah. Oh, we're done. Now let's unlock the system. Good to go. Thank you.